Derma-aging solution for relief of skin stress and aging from the very beginning. We introduce MEDIKOI, a high-functional cosmetic product based on a new medical technology called biomarker. Step 1. MEDIKOI Biocalmant Relief Toner. Let me apply the toner containing the essence function on my face. You have to apply some toner on the cotton circles and then patch them on your face. Because it's water essence formula, it's gonna moisturize you with every single use. Dog, dog, dog. My skin feels like it's filled by layers of water from the inside. Do you see my transparent and glowing skin? Instead of purified water, we put Centella Asiatica leaf water 65% and Terranox, which is an antioxidant ingredient, along with 3 bio-ingredients in essence toner to take care of your skin to revive and stay moisturized. Step 2. MEDIKOI Bioactive Vital Shoot Ampoule. Let me introduce a powerful antioxidant ampoule to keep you young. Well, this is an injection type of ampoule with special dermatology products especially made for home caring. And this ampoule is really sticky because of the MEDIKOI pattern product called Terranox, and Terranox is really highly concentrated. Wow! 엄청 쫀쫀해요. It's a matte formulation, so you can still spread it right away with only a small amount of ampoule. I feel moisturized and firm skin elasticity. With antioxidant component Terranox, 6 peptides including the Nobel Prize-winning component EGF, high-performance ampoule of 3 bio-prescription to resurrection plant stem system, you can easily manage powerful antioxidant skincare at home every day. Step 3. MEDIKOI Bio Repair Cica Cream. I will show you an antioxidant cream that can fight against fine dust, ultraviolet ray, aging, and etc. It is a rich formulation with high moisturizing function that will give you a feeling that your skin is protected. Because it is silicone-free formulation, you can apply on sensitive skin safely. The heavy formula of the cream makes your skin smoothly and gently, so it's very comfortable to touch the irritated parts of the skin. Stem cells component derived from Swiss Edelweiss, resurrection colors extraction 46%, and EGF with panthenol. Ingredients straighten skin barrier with meticulosity, design ingredients for this cream. Experience the amazing changes that make your skin healthier every day with MEDIKOI Essential lineup, as we are a brand that studies skin aging factors and focusing on antioxidants. Come on, look at my flawless skin.